Get ready to be amazed because this ultimate find year you is officially taking over the internet. Is this the ultimate find of the year? If you highly value smart solutions, you already know that the engineering behind it is brilliant. It is crafted specifically to make your life much smoother. What makes this so unique compared to ordinary items is that it solves an annoying problem. No more wasting your hard-earned money on things that break after 2 days. This piece is built tough, highly efficient, and super simple to operate. It is clearly P for anyone trying to upgrade their current setup. Demand is extremely high for the right now. Make sure you don't miss this opportunity right this second. Get ready to be amazed because this ultimate find year you is officially taking over the internet. Is this the ultimate find of the year?